it's Unjust. I'm bringing to you a little before and after of my old sleeper PC to the new case I put it in. Yeah, it was a big old ugly thing. White, beige. I had fun building into it and modifying it and putting the liquid cooling in it. But unfortunately, the pump took a shit. It took a pooper. Sorry. So I ended up throwing all the liquid cooling out. So here's what I ended up doing with it. Yeah, I'm just showing you a little bit of the old. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it, but time to move on. I should have probably shortened this up a little bit, but yeah. That thing sure was tall. About almost waist height. Well, about thigh height. As you can see, I'm sitting on my butt and it comes up to my neck just about. So yeah. I had plenty of room for heat to go. That's for sure. In some ways I wish I could have put the fan down lower because you can see where the power supply is at, and then see those two fan mounts and the serrated holes. Yeah, there's all air there. It served its purpose. Man, was it loud. With a 120mm fan up top. Yeah, there's me talking about power supply and other stuff in the previous video. In this sleeper PC build. I'm just turning my phone on, turn the light on for that video. So I can show the IOs. Oh, here's the side. Taking the side panel off. Oh, yeah, that panel's hard to take off. Got to pry the darn thing off with a frickin' screwdriver. I don't know why. It just has never gotten easier to take off. I'm glad I'm getting rid of it for the time being. Let's move this camera down a touch. So I can see my pretty face a little better. Ooh, look at that wiring. What a mess. I am so glad I took off all that the hard drive bays down below and put them up top. Really cleaned it up nice. And made more airflow from the front. I believe I showed that in another video. I don't remember which one though. Let's see if I can find it and link it. Yeah, just talk about all the different hard drives I have in it and the floppy drive that was in it at the time. Took that out and threw that away a long time ago. Or a while ago, a couple months ago. Oh, sorry, I had to itch my ear again. But yeah, as you can see, this is pre-liquid cooling. I have a separate video of that, was it worth it video, if you want to check that one out. I'll link that one too. I never really got a chance to finish it. I was planning on moving it to the front where you see that speaker spot and then the drive cages are at, but never got a chance to. And obviously now I built my new Ryzen system I'm currently using now. I'm pretty happy about. So yeah, that's the ugly mess of the old one. Oh, 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 going burning up. Oh, what's gonna happen now? Oh, here's the board and the new case. Picked the case up for like 25 bucks with a power supply. Granted, I ended up putting that power supply away because, yeah, it's a cheap piece of junk. But I'll save it for testing purposes. Good for that, though, at least. But yeah, this is the new case I got. Nice little thing. I rebuilt this, and here you can see I put the SSD in there, and left the RX 480, or sorry, left the RX 460 in, and then I'm gonna try and sell it, make some money off it. Okay, this is Unjust. Thanks for watching. Peace out.